Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. The video title is, How to Create a Bybit Mastercard, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. Bybit is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, and their Mastercard lets you spend your crypto holdings just like regular cash. Pretty cool, right? Before we jump in, make sure you have a verified Bybit account. If you don't, head over to their website, sign up, and complete the KYC verification process. It usually takes a few minutes and is essential for security. Alright, let's get started with the steps. First, log into your Bybit account using your email and password. Once you're in, navigate to the Cards or Wallet section. Look for the Mastercard option. It's often prominently displayed. Next, click on Apply for Bybit Mastercard. You'll be asked to fill out an application form with your personal details, like your name, address, and some ID information. Don't worry, Bybit uses secure encryption, so your data is safe. Now, for the important part, identity verification. You'll need to upload a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and possibly a selfie for facial recognition. This step ensures compliance and protects against fraud. After submitting, sit tight. Approval can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days, depending on your location and the volume of applications. Once approved, you'll receive an email notification. Head back to your account to activate the card. Link it to your Bybit wallet, and you're good to go. You can start loading it with crypto or fiat currency. A quick tip: always monitor your transactions and enable two-factor authentication for added security. It's a game changer for everyday spending. There you have it. That's how you create your Bybit Mastercard. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.